Welcome to Backyard Family Fun, the podcast from Pride Pool Spas and Leisure Products. In Claxton and Savannah, Georgia, this family-owned business has spent decades helping create memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're a pool owner, a spa lover, or just looking to turn your outdoor space into a true retreat, we've got you covered right here on the Backyard Family Fun podcast. Welcome back to Backyard Family Fun. I'm Dee Daniels. We're at Pride Pool Spas and Leisure Products right here in Savannah. You've got the Savannah location, the Claxton location. We love both locations, and we're in Savannah for this one, sitting down with Joe Driggers, one of my favorite guys. He's Marketing Public Relations Director here at Pride Pools. Joe, welcome back to the show.
Well, thank you for having me. Glad to be here.
Yeah, always a good time to sit down with you.
Thank you.
One of the things that I know we want to talk about that I think is so important to talk about, and you're so great at talking about it, so I'm glad we're sitting down having this conversation. You know, a lot of people who might just moving into the area, a lot of new people coming in, we're growing a lot around the Savannah region for sure. You know, maybe just getting to know Pride Pools, and maybe they haven't been in yet, but they know they need to come in. They know they've got things they want to take care of, things they want, new toys they want to buy, all the things. You know, to really know Pride Pools is to really sort of look at the fact that we just celebrated 50 years, so we're 51st, now.
We officially started our 51st year.
That's right. And sort of know the family and the culture and all the things behind it. And that's one of the things that I know Pride Pools takes a lot of pride in.
Correct.
Yeah. Talk a little bit about the background and the culture.
Well, when we wrote our company culture, it was easy because we found it in our mission statement, with our Pride mission statement, which is personalized service, readiness to serve, intelligent product knowledge, dedication, and enthusiasm to go the extra mile. So again, you find our culture in our mission statement. So it was easy to bring those two together. So we implemented internally, but also our company culture also reflects our customers as well. So we're very proud of it that we can display that to our customers as well. With our personalized service, it's just that, the service we give our customers. And being a family-owned second-generation company, and our customers, they like that personalized service. Miss Jones can walk in the store at any time, and our staff, no matter which staff member is, knows Miss Jones or Miss Smith, and they like that personalized service. Our retail associates know their pool with it, above ground and in ground, so that personalized service goes a long way internally and externally. Yeah, that's a big deal. And you're right. I mean, I feel like it has enabled and allowed Pride Pools to have customers for a long time. I'm talking about customers that, have been, coming into the doors for 20, 30 years. Yeah, we've talked about it in previous episodes, third generation families now coming in.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I think too, you talk about walking in the door, and any team member at Pride Pools knows what you have in your backyard probably, knows the kind of pool you have, knows your maintenance schedule probably, knows the chemicals you might need, or knows the what kind of pump you have. And I mean, that goes a long ways too.
It does. I mean, our employees take pride.
Take pride. That's right.
They take pride in knowing our customers, and our customers can sense that when they come in. And it's the same with our customers. They know each of the associates' names, or they may have a favorite, and they want to, I'll wait on so-and-so to wait on me. So then that leads us to our readiness to serve.
That's right.
Our staff is always ready to serve our customers, and they have that capability to respond for unexpected stuff.
Which happens,
their last water test, everything may be fine.
Exactly.
This water test, they've got some algae, or it's green. What can I do about this pollen? We got to know, we're ready to serve that purpose.
Yeah, no doubt. One of the things too that I think, I'm glad you brought that up about unexpected things. That happens a lot, just in life, right? And so, little things pop up, or, gosh, can I just pick up the phone and say, man, I had this part go bad, that I had. What can I do? I feel like everybody's always ready to jump on the moment, in the moment.
Correct. we're always doing continuing education. So anything new that pops up, our staff is educated and they can deal with the situation at hand.
Yeah, which brings us to a great point, which is the next one, and intelligent product knowledge.
Yeah.
That's huge, and I know that Pride Pools goes a long ways to constantly have this, like you said, continuing education. But there's new products coming in all the time,
Right.
coming out all the time. You know, there's testing that's going on. For everybody to know what all of these products are, that takes a lot of time, and there's a lot that goes into that with
Right.
Pride Pools. You don't get that everywhere.
No, we we're always making sure that our staff has that intelligent product knowledge, whether it be some new chemicals, some new cleaners, because they're coming out every day with a new cleaner.
No doubt.
And we take care of that industry related training that our staff is on top of everything, and they do have that product knowledge. So when customer comes in and happens to see something online, our staff is ready with that product knowledge. They're ready to tell them the good, the bad, the ugly. And again, it's something we continue to do in training our staff and employees.
Yeah, I'm glad you said the good, the bad, and ugly, because that made me think of how great it is to be able to walk into Pride Pools and ask about a product, and you will get an honest answer about
Yes.
it. You know, I'm not feeling like somebody's trying to just sell me something because this just came out, or upsell me to this other product. I feel like they're going to give me the true results and reviews and the testing that has been done, and say, hey, this is the reality of this product you're looking
Right.
at.
And with the product knowledge, and then someone may come in and want a cleaner, and they like, well, these two I like. Our staff is able to, tell them, well, is it for an above ground pool or in ground pool? Which one works best for you? So with that product knowledge, they can tell the customer exactly what they need, and there's no hiccups about it.
Absolutely. That reminds me too. I was looking at a product. I think it's called Off the Wall.
Off the wall.
And I know that's something a lot of people use. And I bought it in Claxton when we were there. And I had questions, and I mean, those questions were answered and more. And then it was like, you know what, you could also use this product maybe to clean this or clean that. It's a great
bathroom tile,
I know. And I was just like, what great information. And that's what you get with all the products when you come into Pride Pools. That's what you get.
Yes, exactly.
I love it. Dedication is our next. And this is big. I mean, dedication is huge. I feel like the team at Pride Pools, everybody on the team, just truly dedicated to what is going on.
Yes, we and that comes from our company culture, or making our staff feel like family. Again, we're a family-owned business. We all feel like family. We've been around for 50 years.
Yeah.
So all of our staff, they come in, they're trained, and they're dedicated. They see the what we put into hiring them and teaching them new things that helps them with their job.
That's right.
So they stay dedicated to our services and everything that we offer our customers.
Absolutely. And if you didn't notice at the beginning, we are spelling the word pride with all these things, just reminding you that that's what we're doing. So yeah, dedication. I honestly, I mean, I love the team. I feel like everybody's so dedicated here.
And with dedication, it goes to show, just today we're celebrating an employee's been here 20 years.
Oh, yes.
And we've got some at 25 years.
That's amazing.
Some at 18 years. We got some at 12 years.
That says so much.
It does. It says a lot about how we treat our employees and the dedication that they give to our customers.
All right. Last one is enthusiasm to go the extra mile. We spelled pride. You get it? Let's talk a little bit about that. I mean, I think, not every customer is the same that comes in the door. Not every backyard is the same. So like everybody's got different scenarios going on in their life. And there is a real, just air of enthusiasm around here to say, let me dive into what you've got going on in your backyard. And they want to know everybody.
They're focused on that one customer.
That's
when
right.
They come in. It's not
Yeah.
like, I've got 2 or 3 going on, they're focused on that customer to make sure they are taken care of, their wants and needs are taken care of. And it shows our staff, we're very fortunate. They are enthusiastic about what they do.
Right.
We have a fun product, and we want people to enjoy their fun product. So the enthusiasm our dedicated staff has, I think, really shows to our customers.
Yeah, it does. And you're right. I think at the end of the day, what is like, it's so important to remember, like, this is a fun product.
It
Like
is.
it's really like you walk into Pride Pools, whether you're looking at an above ground pool, when you're looking at maybe building an in-ground in your backyard, maybe you're looking at a spa, which there are so many different ones to look at
Right.
now. Doesn't matter what you're looking for. Like you walk in the door and you realize like, I'm just buying some fun stuff right now.
Backyard family fun. That's what we're all about.
Exactly. And it doesn't just stop at pools and spas. I mean, I also love that you walk in the door and you say, "Wow, I'd like one of those grills," because
Right.
you've got those out on the floor and everybody can sort of tinker with it and see like which grill's right for me.
Yeah,
And
if they like the charcoal, if they like the pellet grill
Right.
best, we've got everything for everything. And
You've got folks that come in the door and say, "Hey, I'm kind of a pellet person. I'm looking for something, a smoker or
Right.
something like that." And it's like, you've got it.
Yeah.
You got it right
and
here.
we're always with enthusiasm when a new customer comes in, really triggers something into our staff too. We're bringing somebody new into our Pride family.
Yes.
So we're always glad to see new customers, and it shows through our staff and that what they do to offer those customers.
Yeah, and I think you do such a great job too of celebrating the new customers, the legacy customers that have been here for a long time, all throughout the year. There's like little celebrations going on.
And
We'll
celebrate
spin the wheels going on.
Part of our company culture is we celebrate our employees as well with birthdays, work anniversaries. You never know when they come in, we're going to buy y'all lunch today.
Right.
So we really take a lot of pride and love for our staff. And I think that's what keeps them. They like being a part of the family atmosphere. And, we have customers come in and their family too.
Sure.
They're our extended family.
That's right.
And that's the way we want to treat them when they come in, every time they come through the door.
Yeah, and it obviously works and works well. It's very successful. This backbone of this kind of culture, because 51 years,
Right? Yeah.
that says everything. Speaking of, if folks are listening that would like to maybe become a part of the Pride Pools team, you've got a couple of openings right
we
now.
do.
Would you want to talk about those?
Sure. We have openings for retail sales associates, and those are our welcome people. They're the ones who work the floor. They're the ones that get you chemicals, do your water tests, who sell you your above ground pool, your hot tubs. So we're always looking for retail associates to help, drive revenue and to bring in new customers and treat those customers well.
Yeah, and the best way, and I guess this goes for both. We're going to talk about another spot open in a second, but is to just walk in and apply.
They can apply. They can go to our website. It's listed. There's an employment application there. We're on ZipRecruiter, all those services as well. But the best thing is just to walk in, fill an application, and we'll go from there.
Yeah. So that's for a retail associate, and then you've got another spot for pool maintenance and water care specialists. Yeah. What do they do?
They're the ones that go out to your home and clean your pools, test your water, clean your pool, clean around the deck, and they do water tests to make sure your chemicals are balanced. So it's they go out weekly or bi-weekly to check your pool and take care of your pool for you.
Yeah. And I think that goes a long ways too, because I feel like there are a lot of people, especially as the years, getting going here, and we've got, warm weather is here. And so, now we're doing pool maintenance. And I think a lot of people are like, gosh, I would like to have, somebody come out to my house.
Takes,
so that's an important
hassle,
important spot
for busy families
Sure.
who want that pool and have that backyard family fun, but just don't really think they have the dedicated time to maintain their pool. That's what we're here for. We'll go out and take care of it, maintain it for you.
Yeah, and for those two spots that are open on the Pride Pools team, like I said, make sure you go and go to the website. The link is in the show notes of this episode, or walk in, which is great too. But wanted to mention too, because I think this is great, benefits included. There's some great benefits. You want to talk about that for a second?
We have 401k, we have sick pay, vacation time, and we pay for industry-related training. So any training you need, that's taken care of by us. There is some training going on. You just can't walk in and
yeah,
learn
for
how.
sure.
So, but it goes back to what we offer our employees, that we want them to have the best knowledge, the best experience, and the best education for our products, for our industry.
I mean, gosh, you remember when we were kids and we, younger and had a job and started a new something, and we didn't know everything about
Right.
what we were trying to sell or do or be a part of. That's difficult to be in, and Pride Pools does not do that. And I love that. You've got people on the team that right out of the gate are going to have that foundational knowledge, be
Right.
able to have access to learning all of that. I mean, that goes a long ways with the customers
Right.
and with the people that you're hiring.
When we have a new product come out, our staff they're eager to learn because again, it goes back to having that fun product, and they love being educated. They don't like not knowing an answer.
Yes.
Because that reflects on our customers.
Sure.
And it goes back what we said earlier. Our customers expect that culture, that pride.
They do.
It's something that we offer every day, and we'll continue to do so.
Yes, and it means the world to the community that walks in the door. I know that. And I as we're wrapping up, I mean, I think what a great time for customers or new customers to get acquainted with the company culture here at Pride Pools. Pride Pools truly stands out.
Yeah.
As a legacy business, as someone who's been here for product knowledge, for all the things we've been talking about, stands out. I mean, there's nothing compares to Pride Pools when it comes to this industry. Experts,
Right? We
absolutely
are.
experts,
And we again take pride in that.
Yeah.
And continue to welcome those third generation customers coming in, and thanks to Grandma and Grandpa, they told them to get their pool from Pride Pools.
That's right.
Referrals, next door neighbors saying, get the pool, then your neighbor wants to know, well, who did your pool? And there comes another referral and another pool bill or another hot tub sale.
Absolutely.
So we've been around, we know what we're doing, and we love what we do. That's a good thing, is that we really love and take a lot of pride in what we do, and our customers can see that, and internally our staff sees that as well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and it reflects, like you said, all the way around.
we welcome all customers. We love our customers, and we'll say it one more time. We take a lot of pride in what we do.
That's right. Absolutely. Joe Driggers, Marketing and Public Relations Director for Pride Pools, getting into the 51st year, still running and doing it and doing all the things and celebrating going on all the time.
Yes.
All the time. Good stuff. Well, Joe, thank you. It's always good to sit down with you and have a little fun and remind everyone how much goes into Pride Pools and how much they're going to get out of Pride Pools when they walk in the doors.
Yeah, they're family.
Thanks for listening. Come by and meet your local pool and spa experts in Claxton on Highway 280 West or in Savannah on Gateway Boulevard South, or go to pridepools.com. If you love backyard family fun as much as we do, be sure to give us a rating and review and subscribe or follow on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. And if you have a question or topic you'd love for us to cover, drop us an email, info@pridepools.com, or tap the links for Facebook or Instagram in the show notes of this episode. We'd love to hear from you. Now let's go make a splash and have some backyard family fun.
Pride Pool.